To open the lineage graph, click More on an app or dataset and select Impact Analysis. Impact Analysis offers a graphical view of the lineage of a dataset or app, showing the data inputs and outputs. The lineage graph shows the data flow of apps and data in your organization. It visualizes apps and datasets as nodes. Each node is connected by arrows that show the flow of data. For example, you can see which dataset nodes are used by app nodes and which app nodes generate datasets that are used by other apps. You can clearly see the usage and dependencies of apps and datasets. Each node represents a step in the lineage of the selected dataset or app. This lineage information is compiled whenever an app loads or reloads data. The following node types are displayed in the lineage graph chart. Dataset. Datasets are data sources such as connectors or data files. Datasets are often data sources added to a space or generated from an app as a QVD file. Dataset nodes display the location of the dataset and if it is in a shared or managed space. App. App nodes represent ClickSense analytic apps that use the data sources in the lineage. The lineage graph displays a count of the input and output nodes of the root node. Input nodes are nodes that are upstream from the root node. Typical input nodes include data sources that are used by the root node or apps that produce datasets that are used by the root node. Output nodes are nodes that are downstream from the root node. Typical output nodes are apps that use the root node as a data source or datasets output by the root node. Select a node by clicking on it. When a node is selected, the lineage to that node is highlighted in green and you can view available node details. If you do not have permission to view the app or dataset, you can only view the name. To change the root node being analyzed, select Impact Analysis from the Details panel. Large groups of nodes in the same position in the lineage may be collapsed into a group. You can expand these to view all the nodes. You can also show a node in a collapsed group by searching for it. The lineage graph supports different roles in your organization. Data administrators. The lineage graph helps data administrators understand the lineage of data, making it easier to add metadata and solve quality problems. The graph can improve operational efficiency, helping to easily identify dataset pipelines, usage, and potential duplications. Data administrators can use the lineage graph to improve operational efficiency, collaboration, and data quality. Answer questions such as which datasets are not being used in apps, which datasets are potentially duplicates, can the data pipeline and transformations be simplified, and what are the downstream impacts of a change to a dataset anywhere in the data pipeline. App developers and data modelers. The lineage graph improves trust and understanding in data sources. See the complete history of a dataset, which applications use it, and identify new information derived from an existing dataset. Trust that the data is the right one for your app or data model. App developers can use the lineage graph to improve trust and understanding of data sources. Answer questions such as, where did this dataset come from? What applications use this dataset? And are there other datasets derived from this dataset? And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.